Hello, beautiful souls. It is happening. I show you how I wash my produce with no like baking soda or like vinegar or all the stuff. I learned my lesson. I will explain you in the video what lesson I learned. And this is one of my first videos here on this YouTube channel. And the idea is to give everything what you want, all the informations, everything what I learned, how I overcome my almost blindness, how I get was getting rid of the symptoms after a stroke, how I heal my fatty liver. I will give everything to you for free, and maybe this is possible, but I need maybe a little bit your help for this. So if you want to help to make this stuff available for everyone, maybe you can, of course, like this video, share it with a friend, and also you can follow and put the follow button for this channel. So my idea is maybe it is possible. I'm not sure. Maybe um, I'm a little bit too crazy with my English still under construction. But when we reach maybe 1,000 followers, maybe it's possible to get like paid from YouTube, and then we can use the money to make all the stuff for free. So it's like a win-win-win situation for everyone, and maybe for you it takes maybe a couple of seconds to put some buttons. Will be so helpful and make this thing a little bit bigger and give it to the people they need it. And one really important thing is to wash the produce, even the organic one, because they spray everything. And of course, when you have the organic one, it's not so intensely sprayed with all the crazy garbage, but there's still industrial cooper on it and all the stuff, and it's not easy to get rid of it. So we go right into this thing here, and maybe I don't cut this video so often, just maybe a little bit to make it a little bit faster. And I show you how I clean my celery in the morning. So this is the second step from the glow routine. By the way, you can also download the glow routine here. Everything it's written in the comments and also like in the description from this video. And also you see there all the soap and everything what I use. So you can put the buttons and can feel free. So yeah, feel free. So the video is for free and everything it's almost for free. So let's do it and I show you a little bit how I do it. So when it comes to cleaning vegetables, you hear about it. Hey, put some baking soda, like this stuff in the water, and also like vinegar and all the things. The truth is, when you use this kind of stuff, you see you have this beautiful vegetables, also like fruits and all the stuff, and they have so beautiful skins and cellulose from outside. When you use baking soda, it's not easy to get rid of the waxes and oils and coatings they put on this stuff. It's not possible. You need a soap, but a soap with no fragrances, no chemical things. And this is one from Europe. What we use is from Sonnet, but I will also link the other things for the other countries, like for the United States, for UK, and all the things. And it's so important when you wash your fruits and vegetables. You want to get rid from all the pesticides and all the stuff they spray on it, even on the organic one, and all the excess and coatings. So you use something where you can remove it from the skin. And with baking soda and vinegar, it's not possible to get rid of this. It's so hard. And when you get rid of this, the baking soda and the vinegar, they destroy this beautiful cellulose first, and then the waxes, the coatings, and all the stuff goes even deeper. I know it sounds crazy, but yeah, this is the truth and this is the important thing. So and also in the future I will show you a little bit maybe more how we wash it. So the thing is I just let a little bit water here in, so we was losing the little plug, so that's why I put this here in to get the water in. And a little trick and tip depends when you see the video. So if you are in the winter and in the winter season and it's cold and you have like the celery, some people get like so cold with the celery juice. You can wash it not hot with warm water. You get like warm celery sticks, and then you can choose this stuff, and then the juice is a little bit warmer. But take care not making the stuff hot or something like this. So, and then I have it here. I wash it. Ah, one important part. I forgot. So before I wash it, you see the beginnings and the endings. I always, not today, but always cut a little, a little bit from the beginning and from the end when it comes to celery. Why? Because oh wow, it's amazing birds by the way outside. By Why I cut this because when they go to the fields and they harvest this beautiful celery, they cut it. They cut it with the machines, and the machines are sprayed with chemicals, with oils on this scissors or what is the name, right? To cut it, and then you have like this chemical thing here on the top. It's not easy to clean this even off with a good soap. So that's why I cut it a little bit, and then, of course, I get it into the water. And if you don't get organic celery juice, organic celery, it's okay. You can get rid of the pesticides with a really, really good soap. Really important. I say it again. A soap has to be um, like I say like organic or natural tenside, like washing stuff actually inside, and no fragrances, even no essential oils, because essential oils from inside also yeah, makes your system a little bit more nervous, and also I think the vagus nervous is it, what is the name? My English, right? It's still under construction, but you have like nerves inside, and when you have essential oils from inside, it's not so good. I know there are some brands outside. They say, "Oh, you can take the essential oils from inside. Take it, do it." So the idea is to make more money, but it's not helping the people, especially when you are chronical ill, when you're sick. You need like, the little details. Details matters. It's really important. The little details, they move the needle. And so what I do, I show you, I put here this soap, this chemical and fragrance-free soap here on this. Oopala. Let's see. So by the way, if you are here in the video, I want to give more videos out on YouTube. If you like this and everything for free, like all the PDFs and all the stuff, if you love it, just hit the follow button and like it, make a comment or something like this. This really helps to get like paid, for example, from YouTube or other companies, and then we can bring all the stuff for you to the people. You know what I mean? It's all the good things. So this is the goal. So maybe we can make it. So, by the way, this is a little brush. It's not a best one. I know it's a plastic one. The best will be a natural brush. Have a natural brush, but this is what I have right now. And I was putting here a little bit soap on it, and then you see, I just brush it and then bring it back. Brush it and bring it back. And when you are done with this, I make now a little stuff here, a little bit, 3, 4, 5. So I clean it with clear water. You can make it 1 or 2 times and make sure it's no soap on it anymore, but you feel difference. You actually can feel it, especially also when it comes to apples and or here, for example, oranges and all this stuff. It's not an organic one. That's why I want to wash before I cut in and before I squeeze like all the excess into my fruits. I don't want this in my body. Like the little details, they matters. So you see, I have this here. It's a clean stick. I clean it after that, and then there's like a Champions League level. Also, of course, you can also clean your celery sticks after that because they are a little bit wet. You can, it's like organic cotton, make like this. But sometimes also I forgot it. But then it's really, really clean. And also you can prepare your stuff. And yeah, that's it. This is the stuff how I wash my celery, my produce, my celery with non-toxic, with no fragrance at all. Um, dishwashing soap. So it's amazing. So please don't use baking soda and vinegar. I know people love it. Me too, back in the days. But the real deal is this stuff because when you use baking soda and vinegar, it's not take care of the coatings and waxes and all the stuff and make stuff worse because the cellulose gets broken with the baking soda. Sometimes also you get baking soda from the producer in your system. You don't want this in your system because it's so intense, irritating for your whole system. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed a little bit. And of course, check out here the description, the comments. And if you like the video, give them a like, follow, and I'm curious if we can make around 1,000 followers here, and then we can uh, make more out of this. So, beautiful souls. See you later, alligator, and I hope my English still under construction gets along with you. Easy. Bye bye. Ciao. Auf Wiedersehen.